Have you ever started a new job and didn't know what to say? You walk in, everyone looks confident, and you wonder, how should I introduce myself? Today's story will help you with that. You'll meet Emma, a young woman on her first day at work. Through her story, you'll learn how to introduce yourself naturally in English, and how a few simple sentences can make your first impression unforgettable. Let's begin.
It was early morning when Emma stood in front of the tall glass building of her new company. She took a deep breath, adjusted her bag, and smiled nervously. It was her first day at Bright Tech. Everything felt new: the people, the place, even the smell of fresh coffee from the office inside. As she walked in, a man with a friendly smile approached her. "Good morning, you must be Emma, right?" he said. "Yes, that's me," Emma replied. "Hi, I'm Emma. It's my first day here. Welcome to Bright Tech," the man said. "I'm David, your manager. How are you feeling?" Emma laughed softly, a little nervous, but very excited to start. "That's normal," David said kindly. "Come on, let me introduce you to the team." They walked through the open office. People were busy typing, talking, and laughing quietly. David stopped near a group of desks. "Everyone, this is Emma, our new marketing assistant." Emma smiled and waved. "Hi everyone, it's really nice to meet you all." A woman stood up and said, "Welcome, Emma. I'm Sarah from the design team." Emma recognized her name immediately. "Oh, I've seen some of your designs online. They're amazing," she said. Sarah smiled. "Thank you. You'll get to work with us on the next project." David pointed to a desk near the window. "Emma, that's your spot, next to James." A young man looked up from his laptop. "Hey, I'm James. I work in social media. If you need help, just ask me." Emma felt her nervousness slowly disappear. "Thanks, James. I really appreciate it." She sat down, opened her notebook, and looked around the office. Everyone seemed busy but welcoming. For the first time that morning, she felt comfortable. "It feels good to be here," she whispered to herself. David smiled as he passed by. "We're happy to have you on the team, Emma." The rest of the day went smoothly. Emma joined a short meeting, learned how to log into her email, and even helped Sarah choose a photo for a project. During lunch, she talked with James about his favorite podcasts. By the end of the day, she realized something important. Every first day feels hard, but being friendly, open, and confident makes everything easier. Before leaving, she wrote in her notebook, "Today I learned 3 sentences I'll never forget. It's my first day here. I'm excited to start. It's nice to meet you." She smiled as she closed her notebook and whispered, "Practice makes progress." Then she waved goodbye to her new team and walked out, already looking forward to tomorrow.
Don't forget to follow the channel, give this video a like, and share it with anyone who wants to learn English. See you in the next story.